Lezi izindaba zethembisa online. Right ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uphenye ibheshu ngingwakwaZanibe isibongo. Sikwethulela izindaba konke okwenzekayo endaweni yaseThembisa, Ivory Park, Rabe Ridge nezindawo ezisungezile. Sikwethulela umbiko lapho sithi khona amaphoyisa kamasipala ekuruleni Metropolis Department EMPD ngamafuphi asebophe owesilisa oneminyaka engamashumi nesishiyagalolunye ubudala 49. Lona ke owesilisa uboshelwa ukuba ke nesikole esingekho emthethweni khona lapha endaweni yaseTswelopili Extension 6 khona lapha endaweni yaseThembisa. Isimanga ke sento njengalokhu ke lesi sikole usibona nje sixubile singaphakathi ke kwemizi. Ungaphuma nje ucela ushukela kwamakhelwane akunike futhi ubuyele ngaphakathi kungabi indaba zalutho. Ake sikhulumisane ke nawo kamaphoyisa sichazele kabanzi ngalolu daba njengalokhu ke ehambisana nomnyango wezemfundo.
Greetings to all the viewers of Tembisa Online. My name is Thabiso Makgato from Ekurhuleni Metropolis Department as the Media Liaison Officer.
I see that you are with your colleagues here and also the stakeholder. Tell us about that before we can get into the matter.
Yes, correct. I'm with my colleagues. She's the inspector of the Northern Region Social Crime Prevention and Leausti Makatso from the Department of Education. Thank you.
We've seen you've just arrested a male. Tell us about this operation.
So both we worked in conjunction with the Department of Education, where we intercepted a 49-year-old male who is supposedly a principal. So this school was operating illegally, and with the assistance of the Department of Education, we found that they had closed the school before. So now, having collected the intelligence from the Northern Region or Social Crime Prevention, we conducted an operation where we came to the school, and with the assistance of Department of Education, they asked for the necessary documents, which they couldn't provide. And then upon asking the necessary questions, we found that, yes, indeed, the school is illegal.
Tell us about your observation as we were entering inside, and how many grades do they have, and also if there's like learners, how many?
So all in all, it's 160 learners, inclusive of the ones of ECD, which are your little ones. And as you can see behind, this is the building. Number one, there's nowhere where it says that it is a school. It's marked to say it's a school. And even with how the building structure is, so we don't know how it was approved, in terms of building plan and all that.
So now, what will be the charge for the school principal, and also if you manage to communicate with the what we call the parents?
So the suspected 49-year-old male will face charges of fraud because of the fraudulent documentation, and also for operating illegally, as we will be clamping down the school.
I've heard that also there are teachers. Are they all qualified, and what is the situation?
The Department of Education did a verification where they found that there's 7 teachers, but amongst the 7 teachers, only 3 are qualified. So the rest means that they are unqualified, so therefore they cannot be educators.
Iyake muzwa kwethu udaba ke lokuqhubekayo okuzothi ke uma ngabe khona okusha okuvelayo ngalolu daba oluthinta ke lesi sikole esingekho emthethweni esila endaweni ke yaseTswelopili, siphinde ke futhi sikushicilele lolu daba, siphinde sithole ke nanokuthi ke ngabe umnyango wezemfundo kulesi sifundazwe ngabe kuthini ukuphawula kwawo. Ezindabeni zethembisa online ngingumfanelo uphenye ibheshu wakwaZanibe. Ithombe nemsindo siqoshelwe ubanele uBrazo wakwaSondlo ebamisene ke naye uSihle wakwangwini, kanti ke lo mbiko siuqophe lapha ke eTswelopili Extension 6 khona la eThembisa.